Keep your most precious memories safe and hidden from prying eyes with Snapchat's My Eyes Only feature. First, open up Snapchat and go to your memories. You can do this by tapping the square's icon at the bottom of the screen, right here. Once you're in your memories, look for the My Eyes Only button, usually located at the top of your screen. Tap on that to enter your secure vault. If this is your first time, you'll be prompted to create a passcode. Choose a strong, memorable passcode. This is the key to your private collection. You'll need at least 4 digits. Now, to move a photo or video into My Eyes Only, find the memory you want to secure. Tap the 3 dots or the icon in the bottom right corner of the photo or video preview. From the options that appear, select Hide from My Friends or Move to My Eyes Only. This will then ask you to confirm if you want to add it to your secure folder. Once added, these snaps will disappear from your regular memories and will only be accessible by entering your My Eyes Only passcode. To add more later, just go back into My Eyes Only, tap the menu, and select Add Photos or Videos. You can then select items from your general memories to move into your private vault. Remember, anything you move to My Eyes Only is completely hidden from your friends and even from your public Snapchat memories. This is the ultimate way to ensure your most personal moments stay exactly that, yours, and only yours. Use it to protect your privacy and enjoy peace of mind.